and a very good afternoon. Thank you for joining me on Bulletin Kuala Pilah, 19 April with me, Nur Harani, and I will serve you with some of updated news nowadays for 8 minutes. Every job has hazards attached and the risk of injury and damage assets. Hence, the management of occupational hazards is vitally important to reduce the cost of incident and the property damage. And now, we have connected with Nur Shifa with a special live report from UiTM Kuala Pilah. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you, Nur Harani. I am Nur Shifa from Bulletin Kuala Pilah. Today, we want to determine the hazards that can happen in gardening work by implying the JSA and HIRARC. What is JSA and HIRARC? JSA is an accident prevention technique which seeks to identify the hazards, develop the precaution, and also provide a safe work procedure. While HIRARC is an instrument to identify the hazard, analyze and assess the associated risks, and then develop the suitable control measures.
Advantages and why it is important. The benefits when a company applies the JSA or HIRARC are: firstly, it can identify the hazard associated with each stage of the job. Secondly, this also can develop precautions that will eliminate or guard against this hazard. Thirdly, JSA and HIRARC process also provide a safe work procedure to be used in job training or the development of a safe system of work.
Good morning, Ms. Nadira. Do you know the 10 steps of HIRARC?
Yes.
What are they? First, classify work activities. Second, identify the hazard. Third, identify the risk. Fourth, conduct risk control. Fifth, identify likelihood. Sixth, identify severity. 7, decide the risk score. 8, rank the risk according to the score. 9, identification of control measures. And 10, construct a safe work procedure.
Excellent. Thank you, Ms. Nadira.
And now, let's identify the hazards that may happen in gardening work. Wear the gloves. Control with so no bug. We are gonna make use safe fertilizer. Use PPE, personal protective equipment.